So after the hearing test is completed, we review the results with the client. This is what we call an audiogram, and here we have the results for the right ear and the left ear separated. These are the results for the right ear, those are the results for the left ear. The way this works, you have frequencies across the top from low to high. So if you think of it like the notes on a piano, it starts at the low notes and the notes get higher as you move across. As you go from the top down to the bottom, sound goes from very quiet and gradually gets louder as you move down. The gray shaded area is what we consider to be the region of normal hearing. The circles are the thresholds for this individual. So the threshold means this is the softest sound this person was able to hear at each of these frequencies. So if you think of it, anything above this line was the area of sound that they weren't able to hear. Anything below the line is the area of sound that they were able to hear. When we're determining the need for a hearing aid, we look at a variety of things. The first piece of information that we consider are the results of the hearing test. Anytime hearing falls outside of that normal range, we consider a hearing aid as treatment for that.